Now, so last class we have done that. So last class we are doing that ordered pair and the Cartesian product of two sets. Now today we will go to our main topic, which is the relation. Now to introduce a relation, I write the definition as any subset of A cross B is called a relation between A and B. Now here see in the definition itself, it is given that any subset of A cross B. That means this A cross B is the Cartesian product of the set A and B. So any subset of A cross B is called a relation between the sets A and B. Now see, the next line I have written that any subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. Now, what is the difference between the first example and the second one? See, in the first definition, both the sets are different, A and B. But in the second line, I have given that both the sets are same, A and A. So any subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. For example, I will explain this with the help of this example. Now, I have a set A whose elements are 2, 4, 6 and 8 and define the relation R. Why R? R means C. This capital R represents the set of real numbers. So define the relation R on A. Why A? Because the set is A. If I name this set as B, so I will say that define the relation R on set B. But here it is set A, so here I have written set A. By, see, in our earlier class, the order for ordered pair, we have used the first bracket. But in place of first bracket, you can use this symbol also to represent an ordered pair. So here, ordered pair X and Y belongs to capital R. Do you know what does it mean? IFF?
If and only if.
Yes, this means if and only if. X divides Y. That means you can select only those ordered pairs whose first element divides the second element. Now, see, here I have taken that let A and define the relation R on A. That means both the sets are A. Here see, this is the definition. Any subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. From this definition, I have to take both the sets as A. So I have written A is equals to 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, the same set A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, what are the elements of the Cartesian product of A cross A? What will be the elements? Can you tell me some elements? Ordered 2, 2, yes. Then
2, 4.
2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. Similarly with 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6 and 4, 8. So, I will get this element. See, here I have written all the elements of the Cartesian product A cross A. 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6, 8 and the last one is 8, 2, 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, 8. Now these are the ordered pair of the Cartesian product A cross A. Now, see, this step is important. See, the first step is from that ordered pair and the Cartesian product. Okay, this portion we have already done in our previous class. Now, you have to choose those ordered pairs which will satisfy if and only if X divides Y. Now here, sorry. Now here, you have written all the ordered pairs. Now from these ordered pairs, you have to choose only those pairs which will satisfy this particular condition that X divides Y. That means the first element divides the second element. So can you give me some ordered pair which will satisfy the above relation? Anyone?
2 2
2, 2. Then
4
4,
6 to 8 4 2
4, 2. 4, 2. See, here I can take 2, 2 because 2 divides 2. Next 2, 4 because 2 divides 4. 2, 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 8 is also divisible by 2. So I can take 2, 8. Now next one is 4, 2. Now if you divide 2 by 4, what will be your answer? 4 divide 2. It is 0.5. That means it is a fraction. Okay. We cannot divide 2 by 4 directly because we have to give one point, then it will come as 0.5. So I will not include this 4 2. Is it clear why I am not including this? I need a number, not a fraction. So if I divide 2 by 4, I will get a fraction or I will get a decimal number like 0.5. So I will not include this. So I will exclude 4 2. Next 4 4. 4 is divisible by 4. So I will include 4 4. Now next one, see 4 comma 6. Can I include this one? 4 comma 6?
No,
No. Next,
because
yes, because again I will get a decimal number.
fraction form.
Yes. Then 4 8. Can I include this one?
Yes.
Yes. Then 6 2. Can I include 6 2?
No.
No. 6 4.
No.
6 6.
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, from this 6 8, can I include 6 8?
No.
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 So, in the step 2, I have written the ordered pair which is directly satisfy this condition that X divides Y. Now, you can verify. I have taken 2 2, 2 4, 2 6, 2 8, 4 4, 4 8, 6 6 and 8 8. So these are the ordered pair which will satisfy our given condition. Now see, you just read the line carefully. So here in the relation, any subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. Now see, A cross A. What is A cross A? Our step 1, A cross A. All these elements are from A cross A. Is it clear? Now, from this A cross A, I have only this ordered pair which will satisfy this particular condition. Okay. Now, this becomes a subset of this Cartesian product because see here I have included some of the ordered pairs. I have not included all the ordered pairs. Okay. So, this becomes a subset of the Cartesian product of A cross A. So, that's why the relation R is equals to. Now, this is also important. You have to write the ordered pair from step 2 in between one curly bracket. Then only it will become a set. So, relation R is equals to curly bracket and the ordered pairs 2 2, 2 4, 2 6, 2 8, 4 4, 4 8, 6 6 and 8 8. So, to complete your answer, you have to write R and don't forget to write the ordered pair in between this curly bracket. Then only you will get the full marks. Is it clear? Hello? Am I audible?
Ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, see, this is one more example. So here I have taken a set A whose elements are 1, 2 and 3, and I have defined a relation R on A such that the ordered pair has to satisfy this condition that if you add the numbers of the ordered pair, their sum must be 7. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to write the Cartesian product of A cross A. Now what will be the elements of A cross A? Without writing A and A, can you tell me what will be the elements? Some elements you
One,
just try. Yes.
one, one,
1 1.
One
Yes.
one
Yes, correct.
one
one,
two
Yes.
one three
Yes.
two
Then
one
2 1,
two two three.
2 2, 2 3. So similarly with 3 1, 3 2 and
two,
3 3. So
three.
these are the ordered pair of the Cartesian product A cross A. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2 and the last one is 3 3. Now see, you have all the ordered pairs of the Cartesian product A cross A. Now you have to verify which ordered pair satisfy this x plus y is equals to 7. Now which is the first ordered pair which will satisfy x plus y is equals to 7? Is there any ordered pair which will satisfy x plus y is equals to 7?
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, because see, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, and last one is 3 plus 3 is 6. That means we are not getting any ordered pair whose which will satisfy the condition x plus y is equals to 7. So here I have written that their sum. So since the sum of two elements of A is at most 6, that means if I add 3 plus 3, I will get the bigger highest number which is 6, but I am not getting 7. So that's why we see that the relation R for no two elements of A. That means no two elements of the set A satisfies this particular condition. Hence, R is a, this symbol means, this symbol will represent a, do you remember?
Empty set.
Yes, this is an empty set or this is an empty relation. Okay, is it clear? But if I make this 7 as 5, then will you get any element whose sum is 5,
Two, three,
2, 3
Plus
and
three, two,
3, 2. That means in
two,
this case,
three.
R will be, R will be
three,
2, 3,
comma, three,
R will be 2, comma 3 and I will get one more ordered pair which is 3,
three, comma, two,
comma
three,
2.
comma.
Okay. So is it clear? Sometimes, that means sometimes the relation can be an empty relation also. Okay. So next, there is one more example. Let A is equals to A is a set whose elements are A, B, C, D, E, and consider a relation R whose elements are the ordered pair like AA, AC, CA, DB, and DC. Now see, so the set A, and here the relation is also given. Obviously the relation R is from A cross A. So that's why what I have done, I have written the elements of A in two columns. So here A, B, C, D, E. Again I have written A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now see, now come to this relation R. So here the first ordered pair is A to A. A. So from this A, I'll draw a straight line from the other A. Okay, is it clear? So next A, C. So from A, I will draw one line to C. Next element is C, A. Now see, this first C is from the first column. So I'll write C, A. Then the next ordered pair is D, B. So I will choose the D from the first column. So D, B. And the last one is D, C. See, is it clear how I have represented this ordered pair with the help of these arrow lines? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Do you
Yeah,
have?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now see, if you notice this diagram, see this D is not related to any other element, because see from D we have no relation, so that's why from B we have not drawn any arrow. Okay, B is without any arrow. Similarly, E is also without any arrow. Is it clear? So I have written that we observe that E does not appear at all in the elements of R, and depth, for example, B is not the first component of any pair in R. So what I have written, you can see that here if you notice the elements of R, see in this ordered pair B is not in the first position. See, yes, B is there in a ordered pair but in the second position. But B is not in the first position. Is it clear? So that's why from B we don't have any arrow mark. Similarly, we do not have any ordered pair which contains E either in the first position or in the second position. So that's why, see, this E is without any arrow. This E is also without any arrow. So that's why I have written that we observe that E does not appear at all in the elements of R. And that, for example, B is not the first
Your voice
component.
is not clear.
Now, is it clear? Hello? Hello?
Now.
Now, is it clear? Am I audible?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Voice is
You're audible but not clear yet.
okay. Let's see.
Ma'am, I can hear it properly.
Okay, okay. Wait, some students are there. I don't know. It automatically unlocked the meeting. I don't know why. That time also I have unlocked it, but again it is locked. So I have unlocked it again. So some students are there who cannot join. Now they can join. Okay. So see this diagram. From this diagram, it is given that we observe that E does not appear at all in the elements of R, and that, for example, B is not the first component of any pair in R. Now see this, I have marked some elements from the first column in the red color. So the elements in red color are A, C, D. Hello? Hello? You can unmute, you can mute your headphones, microphones. So here see, I have marked some elements from the first column is a red color. So the red color elements are A, C and D. And if you notice it carefully, see all the arrow marks are from A, C and D. Okay. So this red color elements, that means the elements from where we have started the arrow marks are called as a domain. So domain is equals to A, C, D. So here I have not included the element B and E. Why I have not included B and E? Do you have any idea why I have not included B and E?
No relation with R.
Yes, no relation with any element. So that's why I have excluded B and E. So the domain is the elements from which we are getting the relation. So it will include, for this example, particular example, A, C and D. So domain, so you have to remember the name domain is equals to A, C, D. And C. In the second column, I have marked some elements as a green color. So the elements are A, B, C. Now, can you tell me why I have marked these elements as green color? Do you have any idea? A, B, C. Because see, all the arrow ends in these three elements only. See, from A there is an arrow mark which ends in A, then from C again A, from D B, and again from D it is C. So that means we have some elements which are at the end points of the arrow marks, and these elements are A, B and C. So these elements form the set which is known as the range. So range is equals to A, B and C. So here you have to remember what is domain and range. Okay. So these two words are important. So there are some questions like you have to find the domain and range of a particular relation. So what is domain? Domain is actually the elements from the first set which has a relation in the second set. So here for this particular example, the elements A, C and D has the relation with the elements of the second set. So this forms the domain of R. And what is range? Range is the elements of the second set which are the endpoints of that arrow. So these elements are A, B and C. So range is equals to A, B and C. So always remember that domain is from the first set and range is from the second set. So are you clear about the concept of domain and range? Are you clear? So see, this is
Yes,
very,
ma'am. But excuse me, ma'am.
okay.
The screen went blank, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share it again. Wait. Okay. Again. Now, can you share? Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yeah, ma'am. It's now visible, I can say.
Okay. 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 Here the main.
Visible.
It is visible. Okay. So the two important words of today's class are domain and range. So these two concepts are very important for this relation. So you have to remember domain and range. And again I am repeating that domain is the subset of the first set and range is the subset of the second set. Okay. Hello, some students have
Yeah.
joined late, so if they have some doubts, so they can ask me. Hello, some student has missed the first part, so if they have doubt or anything, they can ask me. Again, I am going to our first slide from the first slide. So relation. here I have given the definition of a relation. Any subset of A cross B is called a relation between A and B. Any subset of A cross A is called a relation on A. That means in some cases both the sets may be same set. Here A cross A, both are same sets. So here we have discussed one example. A set is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and we have defined a relation R on the set A by this. See, this symbol is for ordered pair. So ordered pair x, y, and in this relation that the ordered pair has to satisfy this particular condition that x divides y. That means the first element must divide the second element. So to solve this type of question, first of all, you have to write the ordered pairs of A cross A. So here I have written A. Again the second set is also A. So my ordered pair will be, if I start with 2, so 2, 2. Next ordered pair will be 2, 4, then 2, 6, then 2, 8. Again I will start with 4, so I will get 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6 and 4, 8. So here are the ordered pairs of A cross A. These are the ordered pairs of A cross A. But here see, the step 2 is important. In step 2, what you have to do? You have to choose those ordered pairs which will satisfy this particular condition for this particular example. So here the condition is x divides y. So from here if I take 2, 2, then 2 divides 2, that's why I have included 2, 2. Then 2 divides 4, so I can include 2, 4. Then 2 divides 6, okay? 2 divides 8. So I have included the elements 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8. Then come to the element starting with 4. Now our first ordered pair is 4, 2. Is this ordered pair satisfy this condition that x divides y? Is 2 divisible by 4? Is 2 divisible by 4? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are audible. We
Yes.
are late.
Oh no, your voice are not coming properly. It's breaking. So see, I cannot include this 4 2. Why? Because if I divide 2 by 4, I'll get a fraction or I will get a decimal. So I will not include this 4 2. Then come to the next ordered pair 4 4. So 4 is divisible by 4. So I have included this ordered pair. Next 4 6. So 6 is not divisible by 4. So that's why I cannot include this one. So I have excluded 4 6. The next ordered pair is 4 8. Now 8 is divisible by 4. So I have included 4 8. Again, the next one is 6 2. Now is 2 divisible by 6? If I divide 2 by 6, I will get a decimal. So I cannot include 6 2. Again 6 4. 4 is not directly divisible by 6. So I have to exclude this one. Then come to the next one. It is again 6 6. So 6 is divisible by 6. So I have included 6 6. So if you verify all this and last one, you will get this ordered pair 8 8. So 8 8. So 8 is divisible by 8. So I have included 8 8. So these are the elements. These are the ordered pair, but which will satisfy this particular condition. Now see, in step 1, I have written all the ordered pair of A cross A. But in step 2, I have written only some ordered pair, particular ordered pair, which satisfies this particular condition. That means this step 2 elements are the subsets of these elements in step 1, because in step 1 there are some, here I have written all the elements. In step 2 I have taken only some elements which will satisfy this condition. So this becomes a subset of this. So R, that means the relation R is equals to curly bracket and the elements in step 2. And see, this one is important. When you will write the relation R, you have to write the elements within this curly bracket. Then only it will become a set. Okay, if you write only this element without curly bracket, I cannot give you full marks. So for full marks, you have to write R is equals to curly bracket, and within this curly bracket, you have to write all the elements. Okay. Hello.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see, I'm going little bit slow in these portions because relation you have to see, you have to be clear about this particular condition. See, some of the students may think, okay, I have written all the Cartesian product, then why I have choose this one? So the reason is you have to verify this condition. For see, for any example of relation, you will get this type of condition. So that condition have to be satisfied by the elements of that particular relation. Okay. So and one more thing, for your this unit, you can go through those. Do you have R.D. Sharma's class 10, class 11 book? R.D. Sharma.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, you can do one thing, that you can download R.D. Sharma's first unit. This is the first unit, Sex and Relation, from class 11 book, or you can download the NCERT book. It is free. You can download that chapter. That is, I think, unit 1 chapter. So you can go through those topics. If you have any doubts, we can discuss. Okay, we are going little bit slow in this portion. If you have any doubt, you can we can discuss in those R.D. Sharma's book and NCERT book. There are some more examples, some workout examples are also given. So first of all, you go through those examples. Okay. So in the next class, if you have any question, you just note. If you have a doubt in any example, you just note that example. We will discuss in our next class. Okay. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
And after this class I'll upload this video. You can go through this video, and in this class also, if you have any doubts, you can anytime you can call me or you can text me. I will clear your doubt. Okay. So I think I will stop here for today. So next class, that means next Monday, I will again discuss the topic domain and range. So first of all, you just remember that domain is the element from the first set and range is the element from the second set. So we will discuss some more problems on domain and range in the next class. Okay. So till now, thank you. Okay, let me take your attendance. So last class it was time out, so I'll take your attendance. I'll call your roll number. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4, 5, 6. Roll number 5. Roll number 5. Roll number 6. Roll number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 9. Roll number 10. 11.
Yes, ma'am.
12.
Present, ma'am.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17, 18,
Yes, ma'am.
19,
Yes, ma'am.
20,
Yes, ma'am.
21,
Yes, ma'am.
22, 22, 23,
Yes, ma'am.
24, 25, 26, 27,
Present.
28, 29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Yes, ma'am.
32, 33, 34, 35,
Yes, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 38, 39,
Yes, ma'am.
40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
42
43,
present.
43,
Yes, ma'am.
44, 45,
Yes, ma'am.
46, 45 present, 46, 47,
Present.
48,
32.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Yes, ma'am.
55, 56, 57,
Present, ma'am.
58,
56 present, ma'am.
yes, 58, 58 absent. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, 32. Ma'am, 32.
32, yes, I have marked 32. Okay,
Ma'am, 59. 57.
57, yes, present.
Yes, ma'am. 49. Yes.
Roll number
49. 49.
Ma'am, 11.
49, roll number 11, yes.
42.
19.
You do one thing, I will give you the message if somebody left, so you can give me the your roll number in your group, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so for today I will end this class. So in the next Monday, we will again meet. Okay. So thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.